Here's how to use iCloud to transfer your apps and data from your old iPhone and easily set up your new device. In Settings on your old iPhone, tap Get Started in the Get Ready for Your New iPhone section. Or if you don't see this prompt, go to Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Continue the process to back up your device. If you don't have enough iCloud storage to back up, you can use temporary iCloud storage to back up your apps and data. Tap Continue if you'd like to use it. You'll be given as much extra temporary iCloud storage as you need to move apps and data to your new iPhone for 21 days. If you haven't set up your new iPhone within 21 days of starting your iCloud backup, you can tap Keep My Backup Longer in Settings to get an additional 21 days before your backup is deleted. Read the next screen and tap Move All App Data with iCloud. If you tap Don't Move Data for these apps, the apps that don't currently use iCloud to back up will not have their data transferred to your new iPhone. Now, tap Done to begin backing up. The backup will continue in the background while you use your device. This process can take a while to complete. When the backup completes, you'll be ready to set up your new iPhone. And if you would like to keep your temporary backup and continue backing up your iPhone with iCloud, subscribe to iCloud Plus. To transfer data to your new iPhone, turn on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions until you see the Quick Start screen. To set up a new iPhone from an iCloud backup, choose Set Up Manually. Connect to Wi-Fi and activate your iPhone. You can also learn more about how your data is managed and set up Face ID on the next few screens. Next, create a passcode for your device. On the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter your Apple ID and password. Then follow the prompts to sign in. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. You may see a few backup options to restore from. Choose the backup from your old iPhone. You'll see a preview of the data that's part of the backup you selected. Tap Continue or Customize Settings. Continue the setup process on the next few screens to configure Apple Pay and choose if you'd like to share audio recordings to help improve Siri and dictation. Make sure your device stays connected to Wi-Fi during the restore process. The time it takes varies based on the size of the backup and your network speed. Once the progress bar is complete, you can start using your iPhone. Content like apps, photos, music, and other data will continue to restore in the background. Set up a new iPhone with iCloud.